Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to fix McDonald's app not showing card. So let's get into the video. So if you have issues with your McDonald's app that it's not showing your card, so I'm going to walk you through with some of the tips, troubleshooting tips that can help you. So firstly, make sure that you have an active internet connection, or your phone is connected to the internet, because McDonald's is an online app, so you need an active net connection. So just check that, and then what you can do, see if there is an update to your app. So if you go to your Play Store and then see if there is any app to your McDonald's, any update to your app. If there is, just install that, and basically this can fix up all your issue. And if not, so another thing that you can try is try to refresh the app. So when you open up the app and you have some issues, so what you can do, just close the app completely. So close it completely, so then try to relaunch the app and see if that fixes the issue. And apart from that, what you can do, you can also go to your app details here. So go to your app details. So once you get to your app information here, try to go to memory, and then not memory, storage. Try to go to storage and then try to clear the cache. So click on this clear cache to clear up the cache and see if that fixes up the issue. If not, then what you can do, you can try to reinstall this app, and if that doesn't still works, then what you can simply do is just contact the customer support and see how they can help you. So these are some of the tips that you can try in order to fix up your issue. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.